What is your favorite real estate website and why? Rupinder Kalar says, there are plenty of options for building a website. Creating a real estate website is really easy. There's no need to purchase a hosting plan, learn HTML, or have do intense coding for building your website. Instead, site builders like WordPress, Wix or Pixpa make it simple and affordable to create a sleek, professional website that represents you. These are particularly great option for real estate professionals, thanks to their simplistic and beginner-friendly features. While looking for real estate website builders, you need to look out for 1. Drag and drop website. 2. Various template options. 3. SEO configuration. 4. Popular marketing and automation tool. If you're feeling overwhelmed, then I recommend searching for a real estate website builder that offers these above features. With those criteria in mind, we recommend starting with WordPress, Wix or Pixpa can be an excellent choice for your real estate business. InfoCB Jamaica says, there are several websites available for purchasing or selling real estate property. However, if you live in Jamaica and are looking for real estate websites, below are some of the top websites where you can receive real estate services at a reasonable price. Coldwell Banker Jamaica Realty, RCI Realty Plus, Keller Williams Jamaica, Seventh Heaven Properties, Sangster Realty. Mehak Chauhan says, I've come across crowdfunding websites online for real estate which makes it pretty simple and easy to invest. One of them is Assetmonk, which lists properties from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, etc. All you have to do is choose a property and invest a certain amount. Based on the type of property and the investment plan you choose, you get the monthly rental income, which is 7 to 8% along with a certain percent of appreciation on capital invested. The tiresome dealings with brokers and asset management burden is significantly reduced by investing through these platforms. Realcrowd, Crowdstreet are also similar concept platforms that you can check out. Thanks for watching our video on, what is your favorite real estate website and why?